Good morning students, welcome to the human physiology lectures. Today we are going to study about the GIT hormones except gastrin and secretin family. Because in gastrin family there are two types of main hormone, that is cholecystokinin hormone and gastrin, which I have already told in my previous lectures. And in secretin family it includes gastric inhibitory peptide, glucagon, secretin and vasointestinal peptide. Other than these gastrin and secretin family, other polypeptides are neurotensin, gastrin releasing peptide, motilin, somatostatin, guanylin, ghrelin, peptide YY and substance P. Now come to the first, that is motilin. Now the structure, basically it's a polypeptide hormone which contains 22 amino acids. It is secreted from enterochromaffin cells and ammo cells. These enterochromaffin cells and ammo cells present in mucosa of all part of GIT except only esophagus and rectum. The action of motilin is via act on G protein coupled receptors. G protein coupled receptors, and the main function of motilin is cause contraction of intestinal smooth muscles, and this smooth muscle contraction finally increase the GI motility during interdigestive phase. This has to be confirmed and clear to in all your mind that it regulates GI motility, increase GI motility during interdigestive phase, the phase between two digestive hours, like between breakfast and lunch. Next, the major regulation is major migrating complex, which regulates the GI motility between the meals, and mainly it sweeps. The function is to sweep and clean the intestine during interdigestive phase, and then welcome to the new phase of digestion. The next hormone is neurotensin hormone. This is also polypeptide in nature. This contains 13 amino acids produced by neurons and mucosal cells of intestine, mainly in ileum. So this is also MCQ based question, that is released from ileum. And the main function of this neurotensin is that it inhibits GI motility. Here we learn about increased GI motility during interdigestive period by motilin, and here we learn that GI motility inhibit via neurotensin. The next hormone is somatostatin hormone, polypeptide type of hormone, and which contains 14 amino acids and 28 amino acids. The series which contain 14 amino acids known as SS14, and the next that contain 28 amino acids known as SS28. It is secreted from GIT, hypothalamus and D cells of pancreas. The main function of somatostatin is to inhibit gastrin secretion. It also inhibits the secretion of vasointestinal peptide, gastric inhibitory peptide, secretin and motilin. Another hormone is guanylin hormone. The source, it is produced by the Paneth cells. This is also MCQ based question. Paneth cells, endocrine cells that located in the crypts of Leybourgain of small intestine. So this is also MCQ based question. Now the mechanism of action of guanylin. Guanylin hormone, it stimulates the activity of guanylin cyclase, and that is an enzyme, cause increased contraction of cyclic GMP, which increase the activity of chloride channels, and this causes increased chloride secretion into the intestine, and finally it regulates the fluid movement across the intestinal tract. So how the function is, guanylin receptors present in kidney, liver and female reproductive tract, and finally control the fluid movement and particularly integrates the action of intestine and kidney, because there is intestine and kidney basically play a major role in fluid management. The next hormone is ghrelin hormone. It's polypeptide in nature. It is 28 amino acid content, mainly secreted from stomach. This is also an MCQ question. Ghrelin. Now the function of ghrelin, that is strong orexigenic, increase appetite. भूख बढ़ाता है. Strong orexigenic agent act on arcuate nucleus of hypothalamus to increase food intake. It stimulates the secretion of growth hormone from anterior pituitary. The next hormone is peptide YY hormone. It's also a polypeptide hormone and it is secreted from small intestine and colon. Its secretion is stimulated by presence of fat. So this is the stimulating factor, presence of fat in jejunum. Its structure resembles the neuropeptide Y that stimulates food intake, but peptide YY inhibit feeding, whereas ghrelin increase food intake, orexigenic agent. The function of peptide hormone, YY hormone, is it inhibits the gastrin secretion and motility, and it's also known as effective gastrin inhibitory peptide. The another hormone is substance P hormone. It is secreted from entire GIT endocrine cells from stomach to colon. So this is also a MCQ based question, and it increases the intestinal motility. Hope you like the lecture. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best. If you like the lecture, please like and subscribe. Thank you.